Hi everyone! Today's a cooking video making an eggless orange cake with an orange glaze poured on top. This cake is very moist, soft and tasty. So let's start. Firstly, in a bowl, sift 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour, then to this add 1.5 teaspoons of baking powder. Sift 2 or 3 times to get more air into the cake texture and keep it aside. Preheat your oven for 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Meanwhile, into another mixing bowl, add 3/4 cup of sugar, 3/4 cup of thick curd, half cup vegetable oil, Now take an orange, grate the zest from it. Make sure you're grating only the orange part of it. Don't go deep grating the white part, it would taste bitter. Now add 1 teaspoon of the zest into the bowl. Then freshly squeeze the juice from the orange. You get half cup of orange juice from 1 orange. And add this to the bowl. Now mix everything together till well combined. Now take small portions of the flour mixture and fold into the wet mixture. Keep adding 1 or 2 spoons at a time and keep folding. Do not overmix. And the cake batter is ready now. Now spread oil and line a baking tray with baking paper at the bottom and add the mixture to this. Here I am using a silicone baking tray. Spread it evenly with your spatula. Tap it 2 to 3 times to release any air bubbles. And bake for 30 to 40 minutes, checking with a toothpick. And the cake is ready. Now for the orange glaze. In a bowl, add 3 to 4 tablespoons of icing sugar. And to this add 1 or 2 tablespoons of orange juice and mix. You can add extra orange juice if you feel the glaze is thick. Now place the cake on a tray or a wire rack if you have it. Start drizzling the orange glaze on top of the cake. Slice the cake into pieces and have it with a cup of tea. Hope you like this recipe. Do try it at home and let me know the feedback. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't yet. Thank you for watching. Take care. Bye-bye.